AN Wallis is a leading manufacturer of earthing, lightning protection, welding and surge protection products. We support a wide range of industries actually, from construction and utilities to major infrastructure, so Buckingham Palace, Wembley Stadium and data centres. Yeah, I think we manage just under 21,000 products. What often surprises people, I think, is the level of technical detail behind of what we actually make. Managing accurate and accessible data is just as important as the products themselves. If we don't have high quality products with data to match it, we're going to lose business, we're going to lose customers. Before Pimberly, I think our product data was spread across what felt like an endless number of spreadsheets and files that were stored on individual desktops and not in any central repository. A customer would send in a query or make a phone call to say they want a data sheet for this product. They're from all over the globe, mostly in the Middle East. Who has this data sheet? Does anyone have it on their desktop? Does anyone have it in their folders that they've not touched in years? If there wasn't one that anyone could find, the marketing team would then produce one, which would usually take between maybe 1 to 2 hours to get everything right, got the image to get right, got all the dimensions, the weights. There wasn't a lot of brand consistency on some of the data sheets we were sending out. They didn't have a very professional feel to them. When we were choosing PIM software, the main thing that was a draw for us was the ability to produce data sheets. Now that we've got Pimberly, we can have these data sheets produced in minutes. We can go into Pimberly, if the product's already enriched and the data sheet's available, we can just send that straight to the customer, or we can tell the sales team that it's in the e-catalogue. They just type in the product code and it's there, product data sheet's there, and they're all consistent. They've got the Wallis heading and the Wallis footer, and you know what you're going to get when you ask for a data sheet now. We're saving hours out of marketing teams' week. We're saving time out of the sales team's week. It's not taking us hours to do this work. It's taking us minutes, which is a blessing to have. We're going to have Pimberly pushing products to the website as well. It's not going to be a process of, we've got a new product, marketing, can you set up this information on the website? That's not going to be needed because Pimberly will be there to push this new product to the website with the information that's there. The workflows there are great because we know what stage we're at in a product. The workflow that we've got on there scrapes as much information as it can from our ERP system and puts it ready in there for the next day to say, we've got this new product here, you need to fill in more information before you can even think of then going to technical information, releasing this product and then preparing a data sheet for it. It's been a big help to have Pimberly there with the DAM. You've got the central repository there, everything goes in there. There's no more drawings or product images that are out of date that are sat on the employees' desktops. They're all in the central repository, they're in the DAM on Pimberly now. We knew our products were very technical, we made that very clear to Pimberly from the start. And they were always assuring us that, don't worry about the technical complexities, we can handle this. And it's all working and it's all flowing nicely and it's looking great. You're starting to think to yourself, there's no need to be apprehensive, these guys have got it, they know exactly what to do. They understand the technical complexities of our products. I think for any manufacturer that might be struggling with product data in the way that we were, it is a game changer, it really is. It improves collaboration across teams, significantly cuts down on wasted time. Any manufacturer can have that as well, especially with Pimberly. The process is simple, it's a brilliant system to have. I'd highly recommend to any manufacturer that's struggling with product data, get a PIM system, get your data held more cleanly, please your customers with the cleaner, accurate information that you can supply them.